Have you ever wondered how exactly people manifest? Like, what does their day look like? What routines are they doing? What habits do they have? Well, today I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm currently doing right now to manifest my desires. So, something I'm currently doing that's helping me manifest my desires is I pretend that my higher self is watching me 24/7. And this helps motivate me to get into action, to stay disciplined, to work towards my goals, to put in that effort to visualizing. Because if the higher version of me were watching me, I don't want to disappoint her. I want her to be cheering me on and know that I'm doing everything possible to get where I want to go. And so I pretend that higher version of me is watching me 24/7. And would she be disappointed in me? Or would she be motivated by me? Would she be cheering me on, congratulating me? Because the highest version of me is where I want to be. And so I know that if I do the work necessary, that I'm going to make myself proud and I'm going to get there. So imagery is super important when it comes to manifesting, and I know this. So what I am currently doing is I make a Pinterest board and I make it very detailed with pictures that vividly show what it is I want. And I keep that Pinterest board, 24/7 open on my phone. And so I'm absorbing these pictures all day long. I'll sit and stare at these images. I'll burn the images in my mind so that when I go to visualize before bed and I close my eyes, I can see those images so vividly, so clearly, because I studied them. I've been looking at them all day long. And they're things that I want, things I desire. And imagery really helps that image stick into your mind in a vivid, clear way so that you can see it so vividly when you visualize. Okay, something else I'm currently doing to manifest is I keep myself busy and I'll ever get bored. Because when you're bored, you tend to do things that are not conducive to what you want, like scrolling TikTok. You can get lost in hours doing that, and time gets away from you. Some of the things I do to keep myself busy are I go to the gym, I take a lot of classes, I read a lot, I write scripts, I'm constantly making notes and ideas, I meditate, I do a lot of self-care things like taking baths, stretching, visualizing. I'm constantly doing something not only for myself, but are also connected to my desires, what I want to manifest. This one's really important to me when I'm manifesting, and it's that I stay away from negativity. Negativity could look like the news. It could look like toxic people who constantly complain, people who are not motivated or lazy. I want to stay in a high frequency, a high vibration. That's how I connect to my higher self. And I manifest that version of me as I stay in that frequency. So I get rid of all low frequency things. And this can also be food. It could be drugs and alcohol, things that pull you down, weigh you down, and don't make you feel like your true, authentic, highest version of yourself. When I'm manifesting, it's really important for me to clear out any anxiety and fear in my body, which tends to be where I go naturally. And so for me, somatic breath work and meditating with sound therapy is super vital and important for me, because when my energy is clear, then I can work on visualizing. When you're stuck in a state of fear, how can you manifest from that point of view, right? You're not going to. So it's important for me, and this is what works for me personally, is I will put on a sound bath, a vagus nerve therapy, sound therapy, music for anxiety. I'll link a few of my favorites below. But I'll put on music and I'll just close my eyes and be quiet and still for at least a half hour. And afterwards, my entire body will feel that shift. I will feel calm and regulated. My whole nervous system gets regulated. And this is so important when you want to manifest. You can't manifest from this toxic, nervous, anxious energy, right? Because your energy is attracting similar energy. And so when you have this calm, cool, collected, I got this energy, that's when you manifest. So I do a lot of nervous system regulation and breath work and music therapy really works well for me. Okay, so another thing that I'm currently doing to manifest right now is I'm constantly redirecting myself. So if I'm checking YouTube to see how many followers I have or how many people liked this video or commented, I redirect myself. I'll read comments, that I want to hear. I'll fill my mind with what I want, that feeling of I've made it. And I just constantly live in that reality versus my current reality. I just put myself and redirect myself into the world I want to be in. Or if I'm wanting to eat junk food or something that's not really healthy for me, I'll redirect myself. I'll say things like, I heard this on TikTok, I want to look like a snack. I don't want to eat a snack. And that one really helps me. Like, hey, yeah, I want to look like a snack. I don't want to eat a snack. And I'll just redirect my attention to what it is I want with one simple saying. Another great one, if I'm feeling fearful, is I'll repeat a Louise Hay affirmation. All is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. And out of this situation, only good will come, and I am safe. And the reason that I can memorize and say this to you without looking is because I've said it so many times. It's a great redirection for anxiety, fear, worry. And when I repeat it like that over and over and over and over and over again, I can feel that center of calm. I can feel that it's true. And I know that it's true. And so redirection is really helpful when I'm manifesting because it pulls me out of the thing I don't want and puts me back into what I want. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I truly hope that me sharing what I'm currently doing to manifest helps you in some way. Maybe you can relate to some of the things I said or try some of them out. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video.